Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to go over why you're not receiving emails on your iPhone. Now, first just head into a web browser like Safari or Google Chrome. The first thing that we're going to check to see is make sure that you have a good and stable internet connection to be able to get those emails. So just type in speed test into Google and you'll be able to see here I can just tap run speed test. So if you see something like a couple megabytes per second, which mine is painfully slow right now, it's jumping up a little bit. But if you don't have any internet, then obviously that's the reason why you're not getting those emails, because you don't have internet. You could always swipe down from the top right and toggle on or off your Wi-Fi or cell network. So first, just check to make sure it's not an issue with the internet on your phone. The second thing we're going to do is head into the settings app of your phone. And let's check to make sure you don't have restrictions on how and when mail can update. So under Bluetooth, let's tap on Cellular. And now let's scroll down from here. You'll be able to see it says cell data, and some of these are toggled on. If they are toggled on, this will allow you to use your cell data, not Wi-Fi, to be able to update it. So let's hit show all, and we need to scroll down and make sure that mail app is turned on. If that is turned off, unless you're connected to a Wi-Fi, you won't be able to update and receive or send those emails. So make sure to toggle that on. The next thing we're going to do is hit the back arrow until we get to the very beginning of your settings. Let's check the mail app settings themselves. So to do that, let's scroll to the bottom. And then at the bottom, tap on apps. And now from here, we're going to scroll down until we find mail on this list. So there it is. Tap on mail. Now within here, you could have accidentally disabled a mail account, or there could be an issue with it. So let's tap on mail accounts here. And in this case, I'm just going to tap on business. You'll be able to see mail is turned on. However, if that is toggled off, all of the email from this email will not show up on that mail app. You need to make sure to turn this on and it will initiate everything. Or if you're having issues, just toggle it off and then toggle it back on. The next thing I would recommend checking, if that doesn't fix it, is head into a web browser again. And let's say you have a Gmail account that you're not getting those emails for. You can go to one.google.com, as in the number 1.google.com, and check to make sure the storage on that Google account isn't running out. If you've used up all of the storage for your email, you won't be able to send and receive any more. So whether you have Google or Yahoo or MSN, Outlook, whatever, just type in that account on a web browser and check to make sure you have enough storage to send and receive those emails. The last thing you can do if those still don't fix it is we'll go back into your settings, and this is within the settings of your mail app. You can always find that email and hit delete account and delete from my phone. Now keep in mind, this doesn't delete any of the emails from your iPhone. Essentially just removes them from that mail app. After you've deleted that account, you can just go back and tap on add an account and then just enter in the email address for that account again, just to reinitiate everything. It'll ask you for the password and to log in, and then it'll start to populate all those emails back onto your iPhone. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.